Hello friends, welcome to SP Healthy Cooking Tuber with me Sharda. So today I am sharing how to make Garam Masala with a few quick steps at home. The selection of good quality Garam Masala depends on a personal choice. Some like mild flavor Garam Masala while some prefer a stronger version. Personally, my family likes a milder version with an aromatic flavor. So these are the spices we need to make Garam Masala. 21 to 25 bay leaves or tej patta, 50 black cardamom or Badi elachi, 5 mace or Javithri, 10 star anise or Chakraphool, 2 big nutmeg or Jaiphel, 1.5 tablespoon of Shah jeera, 25 cardamom or choti elachi, 2-inch long, 5 cinnamon sticks or Dalchini, 1.5 tablespoon of cloves or lavangi, 4 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khus, 2.5 tablespoon of Kalongi or kala jeera. Before roasting it, just clean these spices with tissue paper, especially these bay leaves, cinnamon and black cardamom. I have already cleaned it and kept it. I am just showing for the beginners. Nutmeg, you need to crack it with pezzy just to make sure if any worms are there inside. Save for your mixie jar also. Now microwave these spices for 1 to 1.5 minutes by spreading it nicely the way I have shown it. You can even dry roast these spices in a skillet on the gas stove or whatever cooktop you have. But make sure you are roasting it separately, each and every spice, while doing it in the skillet. Usually olden days grandparents used to dry these spices under hot sun. Since nowadays it's not possible, you can simply microwave these spices, or else other way of doing it is just dry roast each and every spice the way earlier I told you separately and then grind it into a powder. Make sure you are not over roasting it. Remember, none of the spices should be roasted more than 2 minutes. Now remove the spices from the microwave and let it cool. Some people, in spite of telling, they get confused. So here is a tip. When you touch the masala, you should be able to bear that heat in your hand. That much only you should roast it. You shouldn't roast more than that. Now take out the bay leaves also and keep it aside to cool down. Bay leaves also you have to roast it for 1 to 1.5 minutes till the crispiness sound comes.
Like this.
Now put these roasted spices into the mixie jar. Remember, you should always cool the spices and then grind it. This masala can be used in various dishes like dum aloo, veg biryani, non-veg biryani, mushroom curry, anything which is vegetarian, non-vegetarian. The best part is it goes well for any of the non-veg and veg varieties. One more tip here is I usually never add pepper, coriander and fennel seeds into the garam masala. What I usually do is I make the powder of all these separately and then store it. According to the dish, I use it. See, usually the coriander, fennel and the pepper is used on daily basis. Whereas garam masala, I use it maybe I think weekly twice or thrice. So that's the reason I usually never add this powder into the garam masala. But if you would wish to, you can always add coriander seeds 100 grams, pepper seeds 3 tablespoons, fennel seeds 3 tablespoons to the same measurement. Just roast the same way and grind it along with these spices. The aroma is tantalizing. The texture of the garam masala should be like this. Now transfer the garam masala to an airtight container. This stays good for 1.5 to 2 months. So comment below if you would want any recipe. Do like and subscribe my channel. And that was it for today's video, guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.